Hey there everyone, I'm Michael. Before I start this video, I'd just like to say that my ability to talk may suffer a bit because my tongue is still hurting like hell right now, so it does kind of hurt to talk. But with that aside, we're going to be doing another bite-sized tutorial in this video. And this tutorial will be on the new File Skimmer backend system, and making your application able to open files when the user double clicks them in File Skimmer. So let's get started. I am still on a touchpad. Alright, so I have purposefully let one of the in-game applications not open files properly, because I wanted to show you guys how to do this, and that application is the icon manager. If we open it, it should have... oh, it does not have an import or export button. Well, we're going to fix that. So we go here. What? Okay, it is not going to fit that in the user interface. I'll have to worry about that later. But for now, let's just say that the icon manager's file extension for icon packs is going to be .icons. Well, alright, so firstly we need to find out the structure of an icon pack, and it is just a dictionary of, or with a key type of string and value type of a byte array. So that's pretty simple. First things first, we have a new interface in Beta 3's engine, and that is, if I could type today, file handler. And that makes us implement one method, public void open file, string file. And that file argument is simply the path to the file. So what we can do is we can do var contents equals shiftf, or objects shift fs utils height. Whoops. Alright. Utils read all text file. And don't worry, this method only gets called if the file already exists, so you don't have to check if the file exists beforehand. Alright, so we have the contents of the file. Var dictionary equals JSON convert deserialize object, and we'll pass in the type of our file structure, which is a dictionary string byte array. Contents, so that is the text contents of the file. Now we simply make the icon manager window appear by doing appearance manager.setup window this, and then we do icons, which is the variable we need to set to load a file, equals dictionary. Please don't joke about that in the comments. Get your mind out of the gutter. Anyways, then we call setup UI, which is a function inside icon manager which reloads all the UI and everything after loading a file. So if we run the game, unfortunately, since there's no way to export icon packs on their own yet, or import them, well, now there is a way to import them. I can't really show that function off right now, but I can show that it works for things like ArtPad, TextPad, the skin loader, you name it. So if we go to Utilities, or not Game, or Office, I mean, go to Utilities, File Skimmer, and we'll click this Visual Studio skin file. And as you can see, it opens in Skin Loader. And if we... oh god. I probably shouldn't be showing off my personal folder in this video, but if we open this, we get an angry Victor Tran face, which has nothing to do with the file name. Anyways, it's the same for text files. They will open in TextPad if you have it. You can see we've got some story stuff on stuff like that. Alright, I did not leak anyone's email address. You'll have to play the Shift story to understand that. Once it gets implemented, of course, or fully implemented. Now, let's jump back into campaign mode. And my campaign mode does have File Skimmer, and will show that if you don't have the requisite application to open a file, for example, I don't have the skin loader or anything. Root. Alright. So this is awkward. Okay, there we go. Clear. File Skimmer. I do not have a desktop yet. Let's open this Visual Studio skin. As you can see, nothing happens. Because we don't have the skin loader. So we need to buy the skin loader in order to open the file. Now eventually I will have the error message say that you need to buy the specific upgrade to open the file, but for now it just does nothing. But I do have TryWrite and TextPad, so I can open RTF files. This one is just empty. Clearly I forgot to actually set that up properly. But oh, story spoiler. Oops, I'll have to I'll have to blur that out or put a giant spoiler alert box on it. Oops. Anyways, that demonstrates my point. You can add file handlers using that system. Now, we are missing one thing. What we forgot to do with the icon manager is tell the File Skimmer that the application, or what file formats the application should handle. Because right now it's just a file handler and it has no idea what to do with it. But we can change that using the file handler attribute. And it gives us 3 variables we need to fill in: the name, icon pack, the extension. Oh, I hope that's not a comma. I can't. Helps if I don't have the cursor in front of the text. Alright, got icons. And the icon for the file, icons. Now that won't really do anything because I haven't gotten that part implemented, but the extension variable does do something. And it basically acts like a filter, so that only .icons files will be opened by the icon manager, .txt files by TextPad, etc. Anyways, let's go commit this, and I will end off the tutorial. And yeah, alright, I will see you guys in the next video. Now you can make custom file handlers.